realistic and practical college makeup look. I am sure so many of you would be joining college this year and you would be really curious to know what you can wear to college every day and how to just make yourself look a little bit more put together but still not compromise on your sleep in the morning. There's also going to be a one brand tutorial using just Nykaa's private label. It's going to be an easy peasy look which requires zero skill level. So yes, if you want to know a very easy, everyday, realistic college look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with a clean and moisturized face. A moisturized face is the key to any look looking good, and especially wearing for a longer period of time, because it will ensure that the makeup does not dry you down at all. Especially if you're going to college, make sure that you moisturize really nicely. Next up, I'm going to take the Nykaa Skin Genius Skin Perfecting and Hydrating Compact, and in the shade 02 Rose Beige, and this is what it looks like. I'm almost going to hit pan on it any time. So the best thing about this is because this is non-comedogenic, it will not clog your pores at all, and it's not a very high coverage powder. It just gives you a very sheer coverage, which is perfect for college and everyday look. I literally used to wear just a compact every single day to my own college as well. So I'm just using a big powder brush and dusting it all over my skin. Now what this will do in longer run is that it will control any excess shine or oil that comes on your face, and because it also has hyaluronic acid, it will ensure that it does not dry your skin down in the time being. So a couple of tips that I would like to give to you if you are someone who's going to college and will be wearing makeup every single day, if you prefer, is firstly use products which are non-comedogenic, because you don't want your pores to get clogged, as clogged pores is equals to unhealthy skin and breakout. And secondly, try and use products which are not like too mattifying, because what it will do in the end is that it will make your skin feel dry and flaky and patchy, which I really do not think you guys want your skin to look like. Now this does not feel cakey on my skin at all. It's very lightweight, you don't even feel it on your skin. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take Nykaa's Brow Chicka Wow, which is their eyebrow pencil. Now doing your eyebrows really quickly, just giving them about a couple of seconds, can really define your face. So I'm using the spoolie side first and just brushing out my eyebrows so as to make them look more fuller and making sure that they do not have any knots in them. And then I'm going to use the actual pencil side and then just slightly fill into my eyebrows. I am not looking for an uber defined eyebrow, but I'm just looking for something that does not have any sparse gaps. So I'm holding the pencil from really far behind because I don't want a lot of pressure or color on my eyebrows. I am just filling into the sparse gaps to make sure that I look a lot more put together than normal. Next up, I'm going to take Nykaa's Rock the Line Kajal. Now this is the perfect companion for your college because it is a retractable pencil, so even if you need to touch up on the go, you don't need to sharpen it or do anything with it. Now literally the only look that I wore throughout the college was like an upper line trim and then lining my waterline as well, but because I don't really wear like a waterline kajal now, so I'm just gonna line my upper rim with this. You can also use liquid liners, but I feel that pencil liners are slightly easier than liquid liners, and especially if you're working in a hurry in the morning, even if you can't get the liner to look perfect, you can just take your finger and smudge it to get a nice smudged liner look, which you do not need to work a lot for. I'm also going to take it slightly on my lower lash line, not my waterline but my lower lash line, and smudge it out again. Now I'm going to make a very quick confession. I did not used to wear a lot of mascara in my college, and with a nice smudge liner you don't even feel the need to apply some mascara on. Now I have some beautiful color options for you guys if you are going to college as well. Before that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the paint stick in the shade 11, and what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to apply it a little bit on my cheeks to just, you know, use it as a blush. Now of course this is a very widely used and loved hack which just instantly makes your skin look so much more natural without going over with extra product. You do not require a blush per se. So the first option that I've applied is Nykaa's Pout Perfect in the shade Nude Me Not. It's a very beautiful nude color which is flattering for a lot of skin tones. Now because Nykaa's lipsticks are not overly matte, like all of them are not overly matte, so they're very comfortable to wear throughout the day. And because the size of this is just so perfect and so travel friendly, you can just throw it in your bag. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it as well, which makes it a perfect pick for college. And of course I love the color. It's a very beautiful nude color. The next option is this Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Pink on Fleek. Again, this is a very beautiful everyday kind of a color which is meant for a lot of skin types because it's pink but it's not over the top. It's a very beautiful muted down pink. This is more on the matte side, but again it's uber comfortable to wear on your lips as it does not dry your lips down at all. Now I don't know about you, but I loved wearing red lipstick to my college, and I saw a lot of other ladies wearing red lipstick as well and owning it like a boss. So So I have this Nykaa paint stick in the shade 11, which I used as a blush as well. It's a beautiful pinky based red, which is just perfect for all skin types, and especially if you're just entering into reds, this is the type of red you want to wear, that is a pink based red. My last option is again for the people who are not afraid to try out new things. You will truly find yourself in college. So don't be afraid to experiment with whatever you want. This is the color Wicked Wine from the So Matte range. It's a universally flattering color, but if you are from the duskier skin tone, you will rock this color like no one else. So yes, with that I finished this everyday, easy, practical and realistic college tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Also, let me know some other videos which you guys would like to see in the bottom bar below, because I would love to do whatever you guys would like to see. And don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar as usual. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.